can't have any video call or voice call any data way. In only we have only voice calls only. Voice calls in one day. Clearly, in one day we have an example of like radios. Next, it was introduced in early 1980s. Now the second generation of the mobile network generation is 2G. In 2G, it is invented in late 90s. It was invented in 1990s. In 2G network, we have something like where we can send or receive mails, we can send or receive SMSs. Like if we have a person to communicate like messages, etc. We have a better voice call than 1G generation. We have voice call and messages in 2G. The after generation of the 2G is 3G. That in 3G, it was invented in early 2000s. In 3G we have voice calls, like voice calls, video calls. We have sent and receive SMSs, and we have in 3G. It invents like emails also. We can send or receive emails in 3G, third generation, and the generation of the third generation is fourth generation. Basically, some of them it was invented in late 2000s, or we can say that it was invented in 2010, in between 2010 and 2015. It was invented in between 2010 and 2015. In 4G generation, basically we have better voice call, and a high quality video call. High quality video calls, and mainly in 4G generation they invented a LTE. Old LTE means the old LTE means old long time evolution. Means we can use the data daily. Internet, we can use internet daily without any interruption. Internet daily without any interruption. Next, the latest generation we have is 5G. In 5G, the 5G generation is invented in between 2015 to 2020. Or we can say present day is only most of the numbers using 5G. 5G it was invented in between 2015 to present. In 5G generation, we have unlimited data, and we have a very high quality video calls and voice calls. High quality video calls and voice calls, and text messages, and etc. And the generation after this generation is coming. The upcoming generation of this upcoming generation of the mobile and wireless generation is 6G. It was